How to remove text from video in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your CapCut application first. Then it will look something like this. Here, click onto Import and select the video that has text in it. Then click Open. Now here, let's go ahead and add this video. Click on this plus icon. Now this being your video, you can see the text here. In order to remove the text in a moving video, what you can do is you can blur out this text. So let's go ahead and go into our effects. Here, directly search for blur. Then here, click onto blurry focus. Now let's go ahead and drag this filter above our video. And just as you applied this filter, your text onto the video will be blurred. Just like so. This is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.